Going to India from London Heathrow Airport. The flight is at 10:20 and right now the time is 6 p.m.
We are going to India.
Actually, let's go.
We are now going to India, and it's the wedding of someone very, very special. And I'm very excited, as you can see. And little Asher is going for the first time in summers of Delhi. So let's see his reaction in the hot summer of Delhi.
Boarding was supposed to start at 9:20, but here we were at 10 p.m. People were queuing and we had no updates what's happening in the flight.
Hi and welcome to another vlog of What's Up Ravina, and this vlog is from the airport of London. I am basically traveling to India, and the purpose of traveling is the wedding of a very close one. So I am really excited, and in this vlog I will take you to the places I will shop. I have just 1 week to do the shopping for entire wedding, which means 4 dresses at least. So stay tuned in the vlog and I will tell you how I did my shopping. By the way, the flight boarding has started, so we need to go now. 10:20 is the flight. So let's go.
We were so happy to go back to loved ones, to go to our families back in India.
Go.
As you can see, flight attendants are setting the flight. The boarding was complete. 100% boarding happened in this plane. This is Vistara Boeing 787 Dreamliner. The flight itself was fully booked and it was looking good in terms of leg room and stuff. The moment the boarding completed, the light of the aeroplane went and it was pitch black in the plane. What happens next is after 10 to 12 minutes, we get back the electricity in the plane and get an announcement from pilot that we have a technical issue in the flight, and meanwhile we are solving it, we will start serving you dinner. Food was pathetic, but topic for another day.
10:30 की फ्लाइट थी. The flight was supposed to take off at 10:20, and right now the time is 12 and it is still in London. We have been served dinner, but flight is not taking off. I don't know what's happening. There are some technical issues. I will keep you posted when this flight takes off, but we are already late by 2 hours.
Speaking again. Unfortunately, in spite of numerous attempts,
And we are told to go back home.
Our flight is cancelled, and now it will depart at 6 p.m. tomorrow. I don't know what to do now. I had plans for shopping for Saturday and Sunday. Now we will reach on Sunday morning. So it's very chaotic at the moment. I'll keep you posted what happens.
Do comment and let me know if this ever happened with you. For me, it was the first time and it was very, very frustrating and sad. For us, it was still manageable, although we also have kids. But people were very old age people were traveling back to India, and for them, it was so difficult to manage. and now we had to go all the way to immigration to collect baggage and then go home. Very bad experience by Vistara. You can see frustrated faces on the flight, but luckily this didn't happen in air. And now we are promised a next day flight at 6:35 p.m. I will keep you posted if we are able to fly to India on Sunday. We were supposed to reach on Saturday, now we will reach on Sunday morning. So stay tuned in my vlog, subscribe to my channel, and I will keep you posted on the updates of what happened with us and were we able to reach Delhi.